I'm excited. What's going on, y'all? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. As you can see, our piss poor life decision has come into its own. You excited about that?
More than you know.
Oh, don't sound too excited now. So, as promised, we're going to do a video of what this place looks like. That way you guys could see what we're dealing with. So, coming around, you got some cars over here. Got a trailer and car behind me. A lot of work to be done, but it's a mess. And that's not a big deal because we're very capable. Would you say capable, Bill?
I'd say crazy.
Crazy works. I like crazy. But guys, it's finally happened.
Everything done.
All the
much.
paperwork, all
Money.
the ups, downs, sideways, lefts, rights, it's happening. So, I'm going to come right over your head, Bill. This is the side of the building. This is the fun stuff we get to focus on. Hopefully the camera's picking it up or I'll look like an idiot. But, we got to get rid of all this wood. We got to move this trailer, move all this junk out. I get to play Paul Bunyan over here.
That's tree down.
Yep, take that thing down because it just doesn't belong. But all this along the fence line has to be cleaned up. Trailer has to move. I mean, it's a whole ordeal, guys.
Walking down there?
Huh? Oh yeah. I didn't even pay attention to that. All those weeds have to go bye-bye. See how much I pay attention?
See that?
Yeah, see, that's why I got Uncle Bill over here. But the beautiful thing is the wife's happy, I'm happy, Uncle Bill's happy.
She's happy?
You know what? Sadly, the wife is very happy. Like, thank God for that woman. Oh, just a savior. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, guys, all this stuff has to go somewhere, and it's not coming back to stay. It's going bye-bye. All that right there. We gotta trim this thing up right here. Yeah, fix that thing over there. All the work.
Plenty of work.
Scrap pile has to get taken care of. All this stuff has to find a home. Guys, it's going to be a busy 4 days of cleaning, 3 days of cleaning.
Probably longer than that, but 3 main days.
Yeah, 3 days. It's going to be fun and exciting. Current state of the shop right here. This is the open bay that we have. Hey, we have an open bay.
It's not open. It's got a car in it.
Oh, it's not. Yeah, it's got work in there right now. So, coming around, tripping over air hoses that were left out, which we're gonna make sure that this stays clean and happy like I like. But all this stuff is gonna be empty, cleaned. All this concrete's gonna get pressure washed. I'm looking forward to that. I do enjoy pressure washing.
You're going to be fighting with the wife. I'm like, loves pressure wash.
Oh, hey, fine. We'll get like 4 of them going, but transmissions are gone.
They weren't supposed to take that C4.
Yeah, well, there's a 4.3 liter right there. Well, there we go. And y'all saw the parts room.
There's shit in there right now.
Yeah, our new studio. So yeah, we don't really need to go into too much detail on that. But oh man, that sun is just blinding. God. And if you're not from Florida, yeah, the sun sucks. But here is our new office. As you can see, it could use some love and care. It's not. Yeah, it's a little terrible, but it's not too bad. It'll get there, guys.
It's a start.
Yeah, it's definitely a start. The casting couch we are going to be getting rid of.
The chairs are going.
Yeah, the chairs.
We got different chairs.
I'm really hoping for this.
Eventually, the desk is going.
Yes,
I
I
don't
am.
have another one yet. So.
I'm really wanting to get rid of this desk. I look forward to burning this thing. I would like a countertop myself.
I want a countertop.
Full line, or
It'll come
70%.
And down to have seating over there and seating over here.
Yeah, I think that works. I'm pretty okay with that. But this is the office. There's been more content put in. Guys, this is just the initial video of actually what this place is.
we have security.
Thank God.
There is a whole security system in here.
That's a beautiful thing right there.
Cameras and all.
So, it's a beautiful thing. Keeps the customers' cars a little bit protected, and you can see me working all day. You get to watch a show. I talk to myself. See, I'm not just a cool, calm, collective person that you guys see on the YouTube. I'm a lunatic, guys. The fact that I'm able to find such a woman to marry me, it says a lot.
And all Joe's shit's here too.
Hey, guys, look. Let's get familiar with this stuff. As you can see, the roll cart, the Epic, and the blue roll point cart made it. Thank God. And over here we have Kevin's stuff. That's gonna get cleaned and gone through. Maybe do some toolbox tours on
This stuff shouldn't be
their
here
stuff.
like
Yeah, there's some stuff leaving. This parts room, I gotta find a switch for this. There we go, let there be light. It's empty. There, it's emptier than it was. But as you can see, some paint's gonna be done, just things to clean up. A bunch of carburetors over here, guys, so that's kind of fun stuff I get to play with.
Gonna rebuild them and have them ready to go.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Throw one on the Pontiac once we get a motor for that.
Got 2 Flytech systems I can fix.
Oh, yeah. Was that the one for the 57 or the 52?
No, that's in there.
Oh, okay. So there's some look at this little room. What we're going to do with it, not really sure yet.
Joe's shit's going over there.
Yep, so guys, this is going to be my happy hole. I will have it decorated with all my banners and all the stupid stuff, my little tchotchkes. Move the tire machines out, move the parts cleaner and all that other fun stuff. So yeah, eventually the camera will probably be pointed over here. But with that, I'm looking at getting Twitch and all that stuff, Discord going, and maybe even it's the one fun streaming service that you get to curse and carry on and do stupid stuff on.
Oh, that was Twitch.
No, well, I'm sure you could probably do it on that. Patreon.
Oh, Patreon.
Yeah, Patreon. I don't think you have to.
You can do an OnlyFans now.
Yeah, my OnlyFans. I had a discussion with my buddy Chris about that. He said I should seriously do it. Now I'm thinking that's a good idea as well. Might be broke.
We are broke right now.
Right now, yeah. See? The OnlyFans, guys, will you buy my feet pictures? They love it as much as I do. But, so we got the truck. That's going to be our first project to get up and out.
This car's got a few things to do.
Yep.
Beautiful car.
Oh, I absolutely love this thing. I could sit there and drool over this Mustang all day. All right, this is absolutely delightful. So as you can tell, this is going to be classic car repair. Classic cars, hot rods, antiques, vintage cars. That's the direction we're going. Yeah. We want to stay away from the newer stuff, kind of specialized. So I really want to paint this lift in the worst way.
You can do whatever you want with it.
Can we go purple?
I don't care.
Fuck yeah. I didn't say that word.
Unfortunately, it's not a priority.
No, but eventually I'm going to paint that thing purple.
Paint it.
Paint the cylinder gold.
Paint it.
I love
Rip
pretty
it out.
Oh, I'd love to get some
That
pinstriping
used to
done
be
on this.
yellow.
Yeah, it used to be. But
Let's go get one of them cheap Harbor Freight hand sandblasters.
I got one. It's actually sitting in the bed of my car, or in the back of my SUV.
There you go.
But yeah, guys, so this is a lot of cleaning and all kinds of fun stuff to go through. And
Lots of lights to fix that don't work, as you can see.
yeah, I mean, everyone loves to work in a dark shop.
Not me.
Right? Yeah, not me either. I like light. I like stuff not on the floor either. I don't like wires. I want this thing like operating room type sterile. So there's a lot to be done, guys. But this is the first, hey, this is what it looks like. This is how it is. And you guys will see tons of content about us redoing stuff. Might be like some,
I'll start Saturday morning.
yeah. So this video will probably be up Saturday at 8 a.m. on my channel.
Or throw it up Friday night.
Yeah, or Friday night.
Friday night's good.
Yeah, Friday night. We'll give you a treat. That way, probably.
Early release.
Yeah, early release. Just because y'all are so awesome. And I haven't had a chance to put out new content. And probably won't until these things get moved.
Throw it up on the old time channel too.
Yeah, we're also going to be putting it up on Old Time Auto Repair, guys.
Now, if we can figure out the right way to do the live, we'll have a live stream starting Saturday.
And you watch us all day long. probably hear a bunch of shenanigans and nonsense coming out of someone's
We'll just
mouth.
put it on somebody
Yeah.
pressure washing.
Yeah, you get to watch 8 hours of me pressure washing. I'll make sure to make.
Because I don't think I can set up a live yet.
I don't think so. But with the pressure washing, I could make Broken Port Trading Co. happy with a banana hammock wearing.
There you go.
So, guys, can you
How
imagine
dare you?
to wear a banana hammock? You want to see this beautiful body?
Well, I don't, but your viewers
I
might.
mean, hey guys, if you want to see me in a banana hammock, well, you probably have more problems than I do. So I would highly suggest you. Hope not to see that, but if you do, maybe one day we will set up a kiddie pool with some pudding in it. See, my mind's been running and racing and going 20 different directions, so I figured this would be a great opportunity to release my nonsense to you guys. But with that being said, I
There
get
is so much work to do here.
yes, there is. There's
Try to get this done in the time allotted is going to be highly
it's gonna be fun.
interesting.
It's like some Smoking the Bandit type stuff.
You got a lot to fix.
Got a long way to go and a short time to get there.
Fix all them fucking holes up there. You
I just bleep that out.
gotta fix all the holes.
There's a lot of holes
So
in
the
this plot.
vehicles don't look like this one does.
Yeah.
Because I do not like that.
No, we want customers with clean, happy cars in here. I want to keep our people very happy. But beautiful truck. I can't wait to get my hands on it.
You probably can't see it because none of the lights are
Well, if y'all can see it, great. If not, well, you'll get to see it later on when we go to clean and move and all that stuff. So, more content to come on this, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of this journey. Make sure you follow along for it. So hit that subscribe button, that bell, whatever buttons there are anymore. I mean, there's so many things out there now. So, guys, take it easy and keep wrenching.
Ring Joe's bell.
Yeah, ring my bell, baby.